Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Gratiem pig Thai or fried chicken with the garlic and white pepper. The ingredient we using now, all the sauce, right? Okay, the oyster sauce. Okay, oyster sauce.
What brand is that?
Okay, macro. You can get from anywhere. Light soy sauce, dark sweet sauce, and golden mountain. Yeah, all the sauce and a little bit of sugar. I tell you later the amount, how much we use. And then we use the garlic. This one Thai garlic. Okay, the special of Thai garlic is not too many juices and easy to fry and crispy. White pepper and coriander root. And the chicken, today we use chicken thigh, yeah, because this one more tender and absorb the sauce. Okay, I'm going to slice the chicken. Okay, if you like chicken breast, you can use chicken breast, but I like chicken thigh. Okay, you slice in this size, not too thick, not too thin. This one about 200 gram, 250 gram. Okay, yeah, this one after we slice chicken.
Your throat okay today? Your throat okay today?
Yeah.
You're like
Just make the voice look younger. Tomorrow Iจะไปดู Botox.
Oh, you're marking. Oh my god.
ไอ้ส้นตี
Okay,
น
should have done the video on Friday then.
No, it's okay. We still do it. I just joke. Maybe do one.
You just joke, yeah.
Okay. Now, we just peel a little bit. You can you can use with the skin. Also nice. This one we just do the just the garlic itself, fried garlic, make it crispy. And then we use the garlic with the white pepper and coriander root with the mortar. This one, right? And for fry with the chicken. This one just dressing on top.
And how many of these garlic?
This one we can use about all together. This one 300 gram. We can use 100 gram. Oh, I don't know it's too much or not. Just let's see.
And if normal garlic, the same.
The same, even the more garlic. But the Thai garlic is smell nicer and more crispy.
So many things in Thailand smell nicer.
Yeah. Do I look okay today?
Yeah. How about you viewers? Do you think Sue looks okay today?
Yes.
So,
Yeah, for the fried garlic, we smash the garlic and crush it. And for garlic, white pepper and coriander, we use the mortar, yeah, to crush it. This one fry with the chicken. Then don't want you to confuse. You can use just this amount, or maybe cut a bit more easy. And this one 20 gram. Yeah, we don't use all. It's about 5 gram enough. Yeah. Okay, this one fried garlic we smash it.
so one is for the topping and one is for the sauce.
Yeah, one for the topping, one for the sauce. Okay, just like this.
So yeah.
No, I fry this one first.
First.
Yeah, this one first, and after that, just follow with the pepper and coriander root.
Now do this.
Yeah, do this at the same time.
No, I just asked you. Are you gonna fry this first?
Oh no, we do the preparation first, and then we fry the garlic first. Okay. Don't want you to change the presenter. Okay. Okay, look like this. Okay, we put the cooking oil. Don't turn the gas yet. Yeah, we put the cooking oil, right? Okay, and then put the garlic, a little bit of salt. Yeah, and then on the gas. The garlic can burn, what you call the same color, even
Not
color.
burn, you mean cook.
Cook.
The same
Yeah,
color.
yeah, the same color. Yeah, this is the trick my mother told me from the old people. You can see the color change to golden color, right? And then you take it out, you off the gas.
And this is the one for the topping.
Yeah, this one the one for the topping. Okay, and then we use the same oil, but not this much. Then we take it out first. Yeah, just this much the oil. Yeah. And then we put the garlic, white pepper and coriander root. Yeah, fry in the same wok, in the same oil. And now on the gas.
How long is that cook for?
This one until the color change to a little bit yellow. Then you put the chicken. Yeah, now the color change to a little bit yellow. Then you put chicken. Okay. Then fry chicken together. And now you can see the color change. It means the chicken has cooked. Okay. And now you put the sauce. Okay, put the seasoning. The seasoning Golden Mountain. 1 tablespoon. Okay. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Put 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Dark sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. And then keep on frying, stirring. And then 3/4 of sugar. But you stir until it's dry. And then you taste what taste you like. If you like more sweet, can add sugar. Or like salty, add more soy sauce. ร่อยชิบหาย อร่อย
I like pie.
Okay, this one you have to stir, fry a little bit longer than the normal, and the salt can absorb. Okay, and the salt.
You look here.
Yeah,
Which
yeah.
way you look, yeah?
And
Not here, not at me. Here, right here. Right here.
And the salt absorb to the chicken. Okay. Okay. Now everything done, then we top up with the garlic. Okay, a little bit sliced onion.
Okay, so here we are. We're going to try this Gratiem pig thigh, and I'm going to do my best not to make any noise because some of you lost your minds with the satay video. I thought it was a bit too much, to be honest, but okay, it is what it is. So a bit of rice here. Oh, looks nice, huh? Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's so good. The little crunch of the garlic. I much prefer this Thai dry version. In the restaurant, we do a kind of saucier version. I mean, it's really popular, but I must admit, I prefer the traditional Thai version. So yeah, try this one out. See how you get on. It's pretty easy. The most difficult part, I'd say, is getting the coriander root and the Thai garlic. You could use coriander stems and just normal garlic, but the flavor will be stronger and the aroma is really, really amazing. So yeah, enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.